What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do another DIY with Dami. You guys a video of how I did customized gala dress last year. If you guys haven't checked out that video, check that video out. I added some really cute like colorful feathers to my ball gown and it was like super cute. Got a ton of compliments and everyone like absolutely loved it. I absolutely loved it. It's my favorite look to this day. I did another dress, so it's Halloween is coming up and this is actually the aftermath of it. So we had two Halloween parties that I had to go to and I wanted to do a Disney princess theme. So I did a Princess Tiana dress, but getting the actual costume was like, I don't know, $135, something like that. Let me put the screenshot here. Amazon had it, but I was like, oh, that is too expensive. So I was like, let me try to DIY this. So let's just hop right into the video. So I got my dress from Depop. If you guys don't know what Depop is, it's like an online thrift store. I love thrift shopping. Thrift shopping is so fun. But whenever I'm like looking for a specific dress, I like to use Depop just because it has a search engine and you can go and find basically exactly what you're looking for. Versus like going to the actual thrift shop, I've been able to find really good stuff going to thrift shops, but it's kind of a hit or miss a lot of times. And sometimes you find good stuff, sometimes you don't. Sometimes if you're looking for an extremely particular thing, I definitely recommend that you check out Depop. So that's what I did. So I found this dress. Unfortunately, I wasn't entirely sure of the size of the dress. And so the girl on her listing, she had like the measurements on the dress, but I couldn't tell like what the actual size is. So sometimes you can find cute like vintage clothes. Like what I did to find this dress, I think I just typed in like a vintage green prom dress or something like that and I found it and it popped up. Now it's kind of weird with sizing with me because like I have like broad shoulders. I can fit like small, medium, large, but it depends on what country it came from, the designer. Like it kind of like goes up and down. Majority of the time I would prefer to be able to try clothes on, but this dress was exactly what I was looking for. And so I was like, I'm just gonna take the chance and I'm gonna get it. So I bought the dress, tried the dress on, and this was like slightly too small. The zipper in the back wouldn't go up all the way and I was so bummed out. Like, I'm not gonna give up on this. I'm gonna make this work to fix this. So keep this video in mind when you end up getting a dress that's too small, or if you go and you find like a clearance rack dress and you're like, oh my gosh, this is so cute, I want this, but it's like slightly too small. Here's a hack that you can do. You can put a corset on the back. So if you check out Amazon actually has like pre-made kits. Now those that are more advanced can probably like make their own little corset with like fabric and stored items that they already have. But for the easy beginner friendly version of this, you actually can go to Amazon and you can get a kit that looks like this. You can be able to sew that to the back of the dress, lace it up, and you don't have to worry about the zipper not being able to zip all the way up. This isn't going to be a tutorial because I waited till like the last minute to put the corset back on the back of my dress. And so I didn't have enough time to actually record me putting it on. But I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like afterwards so you guys can get an understanding of what it looks like. Let me know in the comments if you guys do want to see a tutorial of this because I can definitely do a tutorial. Okay, so here's what the corset looks like after already sewed it onto the back of the dress. So I left a good amount of the zipper out because the zipper does go pretty low. And then I started to add the corset to the upper part of the back. Now, if you have a dress where you don't need the zipper, you can take the zipper out with the seam ripper, but I needed my zipper, so I kept it in. And here's what the stitching looks like on the back. I was really rushing to get this done, so it's not the neatest stitching I could have done, but it does the job. If you are like more advanced, obviously, if you have like a sewing machine, it would be way faster and way neater than my little stitches here. But I just made sure to get like a really good solid foundation. That way that the corset loops can just kind of hang out the back. Kit from Amazon came with a back panel that you could also sew to the back, but I wasn't entirely sure if that was gonna really work for me, and I'm glad that I didn't use it. So it's kind of optional if you want to. Just make sure that you measure the length of the zipper area that you need, because there's different sizes that you can order. And here's what the corset back looks like on my back. If you don't put it in the panel, you just kind of have like this open back effect going, but you really don't need it, to be honest, unless you just want like a full coverage effect. I was able to actually find this Princess Tiana accessories kit that I also got on Amazon, but I think it shipped from like some Halloween store, and luckily I was able to get it like way ahead of time. Like I started searching for all of this before October. So I was able to find this kit right here. The kit had the Tiana headband, the crown. It came with the two gloves, and it came with a little flower that you can attach to your dress. So if you already have a dress or you already have like costume, you can just buy this set on Amazon, get the little accessories, add that to it, and really make your costume top notch. All right, and yeah, so that's pretty much how I was able to make it for my Tiana costume and put it all together, and it worked out so perfectly. I was like so proud of it. Here's some pictures of what the final look looked like after I did my makeup and put everything all together. Some pictures here. Me in the full outfit because it was hard making a video. But that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoy my content, or if you guys want to see more videos of doing DIYs and easy beginner friendly DIYs, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the final look of this costume. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.